Today we will be discussing an option in Excel, how to trim, remove and extract some information from a given string. Let's see the first sample where the string is given in the form of invoice number, and this invoice number is composed of two different numbers. One is customer number and another is order number. So first four digits or first four characters are for our customer number and last four characters are order number. So we have to take from this particular string, we have to take out the customer number and order number separately. The second data we have is the name of the product, and in the name of the product you can see that there are three characters has been appended in the start of the string, and there are three characters which is appended at the last of the string or end of the string. So we have to remove all these three characters from the start, and we have to remove all these three characters from the end of the string, and we have to come out the product name as like this, without the characters, without the extra additional character which has been introduced at the start and introduced at the end of the string. Then the third sample we have is this department number, or this string is given in that form of department, and in the department we have department as well as a department code, string as department name and string as department code. We have to extract department name and department code separately from this particular string. Let's go to another sheet, guys. Alright guys, we are here in the sheet where we will be performing these calculations. So in this we have three data. Let's work on the first data first. Let's work on the invoice number. We have the invoice number, and from there we have to take out the customer number and the order number. So what we do is we will be using the formula called left and right. And how to use that formula? So first what we have to do is we have to take out the customer number. So customer number is on the left side of the string. So we will be using the formula as left. So left, and first thing it is saying text from where. So I am saying from this, the string given in D4, and the next argument if you see is the number characters, that how many characters we want to take from left. I'll say I want to take 4 characters because first 4 characters are your customer number, and just close the parenthesis and enter. So it is giving you the customer number 1124, and just select it and drag it further. So it is giving you the customer number. Now as we have discussed, the order number is the last 4 characters. So for that we will be using the formula as right D4 comma how many characters from the right? 4. Now it is giving you the order number. If you have the data like this marketing department and and department code, and engineering department and the engineering department code. So now this data is not fixed. Like we were having the data here in this case of invoice number, we were having the first 4 characters as customer number, rest 4 characters are order number. But this data is not fixed. It's marketing, engineering, legal department, all these have a different string character, so different string length. So what we will do is first we will do, let me show you how we will use it. We will be using a function called len for this. So first let's apply the len function and what it gives. If I'll say len, and it's asking me the text, which particular string you want to pass. So just pass this string, that is h4, close the parenthesis and enter. So now it is giving me that this is 29 characters. So if I drag it, just see, the first string is 29 characters, second string is 24, then rest 2 are 25 characters. So these strings are varying into the number of characters. So we cannot make generalized statement that first 8 characters or first 4 characters or first 7 characters. For this kind of string, what we will do is len function we already put. So now we know the department name and department code. Department code is always 8 characters here along with the parenthesis. So 6 characters from the department code and 2 characters from the parenthesis. So what we will do is minus 8 out of this. So this much we have to take out, and let's drag it further. So this much we have to take out. The first string we have to take out 21 characters, second string we have to take out 16 characters, third 17 and fourth 17. So now on top of this itself, let's put the formula. Because this string we have to take out from the left. So we'll put the left here. Left, and left always asks you for the text first from which string you want to take. It is h4. So say h4 comma length of h4 minus 8, that will give you 21 in the first case, and close parenthesis and enter. So it is giving you marketing department. So if you drag it further, see it is giving you engineering department, legal department, sales department. For department code it is at the end and it is 8 characters. So it is just the right formula you write this column comma 8. This is giving you the department code. Now let's come to the third one. Sheet, what we have is we have a product code, and in that in start we have 3 characters and in end also with 3 characters. So there are 2 ways to do it. that you can in one go itself you can remove these 3 characters from the start, 3 characters from the end. I am showing you, or I am demonstrating you this in 2 steps. The first step, what you do is, first step, let's remove the first 3 characters, and in the next in the next step we'll remove the end 3 characters. So first, if you want to remove first 3 characters, what you do is put formula again. So first 3 characters needs to be removed. First thing first is, let's put the len as we have put into the first formula, len this string minus 3. How much is this giving? 21. Let's drag it. And on this, what we have to do is we have to remove 3 characters from the start. So if you want to remove 3 characters, means we don't want 3 characters from the left. So we will be taking it from the right. So let's take the right formula here. Right, and where? Which particular string? This string, comma, this, and close the parenthesis. See, it has come with, this value has come with product name and the last 3 characters. And let's drag it. Now in the final product name, again the same thing. What we will do is, this time we have to take the values from the left, removing last 3 characters from the string. So we will be taking left. Again, take the string, comma, len, which function? This function, minus 3. It has given you the name of the product. Hopefully guys, I am able to make you understand how to use the left function, how to use the right function, and how to use the len function, and how to trim, extract, or remove any particular string from a given long string.